Yeah, no, we're not going to talk about that. We have 5 affordable fountain pens that you need to know about, including one honorable mention. Which one will be your favorite? Stick around to find out, and don't miss the honorable mention for a great insider tip. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, hello, hello. In the spirit of the upcoming Fountain Pen Day, which is going to be this Friday, we're diving into a topic I think a lot of us new fountain pen enthusiasts are passionate about: budget-friendly pens. We don't say cheap. Cheap is relative and subjective. We say budget-friendly. Believe it or not, finding a quality pen without breaking the bank is possible. And I've gathered a few options that are all under $100 but still write beautifully. So let's get into it. First up is the Kaweco Student, which falls in our higher price range at about $50 to $80. I actually got this for $70 on Amazon. With its vintage-inspired design and sturdy build, it's a stylish option that's comfortable to the hold thanks to the weight of its metal parts. This one right here is the vintage blue, and it's aptly called 50s rock, which has a classic look. I love the off-white design of the barrel, kind of like makes it more vintagey. And the blue reminds me of like a sports jacket that you wear in high school. Don't ask me why I thought that. It's compact but writes smoothly, and it's compatible with Kaweco's mini converters. So if you want to use bottle inks, you can do that. Capped is around 5.2 inches. Uncapped, uncapped is 4.7, and if posted, is around 6.3. And again, it's slightly on the heavy side. It's at 24 grams. I actually write this unposted. I have medium-sized hands, so it's not that bad. You know, it's still resting on my wrist here. If I post it, I can do it, but for some reason it feels back heavy. So I feel a little bit of weight here. Maybe it's the clip. I don't know what it is, but sometimes I'm uncomfortable with it posted. So most of the time I don't post it actually. So yeah, but I love this Kaweco Student. The pros on this one is obviously the stylish retro design, which I'm always a big fan of. The well-balanced weight. It is weighty. Well, I can tell you that much. And the smooth writing that is known for Kaweco's. The cons is the limited ink capacity with cartridges only, because it uses the small cartridge. Well, this one has the converter. I got the converter on this one. It's still small though. It's not like a regular size converter. So it's not meant for like long periods of writing. But it's good for taking notes or journaling, you know. So that is the Kaweco Student. Next, in the $30 to $50 range, we have the TWSBI Eco. This pen is known for its large ink capacity and transparent design, thanks to its piston filling mechanism. It's ideal if you like using bottled ink and want to see how much you have left. This one is the indigo blue, and what I have here is, and it's beautiful and very stylish. This is my favorite shade of blue, so I was immediately drawn to it, and I just had to have it. I actually inked this with the Bungo Box First Love. Isn't that cute? This is actually really nice too. If you use shimmer inks, you can actually see the shimmer in the body. I don't use it, but if you do, Demonstrator pens would be the way to go, so you can really appreciate your inks. The Eco's nib is impressively smooth. Again, I think I might be biased, but I really think German nibs are just naturally smooth. Capped is about 5.5 inches. Uncapped is 5.2. And posted is 6.6. Although when you post it, make sure you press really hard. Otherwise, it comes loose. The weight is about 21 grams. So just for comparison, earlier when I mentioned about the Kaweco Sport, this is 25 grams. Even though there's a huge difference in size, this one is still heavier than this one by 4 grams, but still 4 grams is 4 grams, right? But yeah, so the pros and cons. So pro on this one, I would say the large ink capacity, the smooth nib, oh my God, and the transparent body. Cons might be large for some people. Some people might not like the piston mechanism. You know, it's harder to maintain because it's hard to clean it. And I've heard from several groups that it cracks easily. So I've had TWSBIs for over 2 years and none of them cracked on me yet. So I don't know how they use their TWSBIs, but I guess when you close it, just be careful. I guess when you twist it, you know, or maybe it's fragile, that if you drop it, it will crack. But I mean, you know, just be careful with your pens, you know, even though it is, what is it, $35, $37. I mean, you know, it's still money there. So just be careful. That's all. So that is the TWSBI Eco. Now let's check out the Kaweco Sport, which is compact, lightweight, and priced around $25 to $30. This pen is great for on the go. It's easy to slip into your pocket or bag. It's just perfect, especially for those who love minimalism in their pens. This one right here is the cyan colorway, and it's super portable, yet surprisingly comfortable to write with when posted. So yes, you have to post your Kaweco Sport because it's super small. Like the Kaweco Student, it also uses a cartridge or use a converter. I think I added a converter on this one. Yeah, I added this little converter. And this is the mini converters. Capped, this is around 4.2, right? 4.2. Uncapped is 3.9. And posted is 5.2. So this one is pretty light, so it's around 9 grams. Pros and cons. Pros, I would say portable, lightweight, customizable, and great for on the go. Cons is because it is very small, it uses the mini converters, mini, what do you call those, cartridges. Then, you know, the limited ink capacity might not be favorable for a lot of people. Again, the small size may not be for everyone. So that would be my cons on this one. Customizable because you can actually, let's see here, what do we have here? Oh, here. See, I can do this, right? You can pretty much swap out everything, you know? So you can do this. This is my little, when I'm bored, I just do these things. And I mean, this one is not a good match, but I'm just saying, you know, so you can do that. Ta-da! Brand new Kaweco. Yeah, this is the Bordeaux. and I just match it with a cyan, but oh God, which one? Okay, here we go. Yeah, so it is, it is, if you want to be playful, you know, you can mix and match. Who said you can't do that, you know? Let me put it back. Oh my goodness. So that is the Kaweco Sport. Finally, we have the Platinum Preppy Kakuno. This is a fantastic option under $10 with a fun design and a smiley face on the nib. Let me see if I can show that smiley face. Can you guys see it? Oh, there it is. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's like a dog. And the nose is the breather. Do you guys see it? There it is. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, I just found that out that that's an actual dog. I did not know that. It's a great starter pen that offers a surprisingly smooth writing experience. I mean, it is Pilot after all, so they have to live up to that name. This is actually made for students and for Japanese students who wants to start with writing with fountain pens. So it is very lightweight, but highly reliable. It comes in different colors too, like a lot of colors. So my pros and cons of this one is it's very affordable, fun design, and smooth writing. And the cons, it's both a con and a pro. It's very lightweight. It's a lightweight plastic body, and of course with that it's a lower durability. But I think this is meant to be a disposable pen. I don't know why. It's so cute. But anyway, yeah, that is the Pilot Kakuno. All right, so as for the honorable mention, which is in the $25 to $50 range, I would say, we have the Lamy Safari. This pen is a favorite for its modern design and ergonomic grip, which helps you guide your fingers into the perfect writing position. Because if you're new to fountain pens, what they didn't tell you is there is a proper way to use or hold a fountain pen. I just found that out late in the game. The Lamy Safari I have here is the All-Star or the AL Star. Some people call it AL Star. Some people say All-Star. I don't know which one is correct, but I'm gonna say All-Star because it flows better. This one is very sleek and durable. Actually, all the Lamy Safaris are sleek and durable, making it great for everyday use. It uses either cartridges or converter for bottled ink, giving you flexibility. The Lamy Safari comes in 2 different flavors, depending on your preference. There's the regular Lamy Safari, which I don't own because I'm bougie. And then there's also the All-Star, which is this one, which is made of aluminum. I guess that's what the AL stands for. So, you know, it's the same in terms of dimension. It's exactly the same. 5.5 is the cap, is 5.5. Uncapped is 5.1. And posted is 6.6. See, this one is easier to post. You don't have to press too hard. The only difference is the weight. The regular Safari is about 15 grams and the aluminum is about 20 grams. So 5 grams difference. Pros and cons. So pros is the ergonomic grip, right? Durable design. It's practically unbreakable. And the smooth writing experience, because again, it's German, so I don't need to say it again. But the cons is also the ergonomic grip, because it has a triangular grip right here, so to help you position your fingers when you write. Some people don't like it, some people love it. It really depends on how you write. I write this way. I have two fingers on top, which still works for me. But when I do use Safari or the Lamy, I do tend to write properly, which is this way. And I don't normally write this way. I turn. I do like a 45-degree angle. Am I saying that right? Yeah, 45-degree angle. This one, it helps you write in a 90-degree angle, which I can't do. I could never do in a regular fountain pen. So that might not be good for everyone. And the limited nib options, I don't know why they said that, because I guess you can't, use like the custom nibs on this one. It just has a regular, EF, F, M, and the broad. But yeah, this is the Lamy Safari. Oh, the little trick I found out. Some people don't like it when the logo, I don't know if you guys can see it, the logo right there is not on the right direction. So for instance, this one right here, the logo is in the bottom. And I say the bottom because the nib is upside down, right? They want the logo to be right here where the nib is facing up, right? So I found out that because obviously when you like re-ink your fountain pen, some people just kind of like just kind of willy-nilly just put screw it back in and without really knowing. But unlike me, the OCD in me, I want that Lamy to be facing up as the nib, or like where that triangle is, right? So I found out that normally some people use, like, they just put it up. Like when you insert it, you align it with the nib facing up, right? But I found out that if you bend it a little bit, just maybe like 10 degrees towards you, to the left, like that, right? And then you screw it back in, it will always face the top. Isn't that cool? So now, again, for the people who have OCD like me, it will always be on the right direction. See? And that is my honorable mention, the Lamy Safari. So there you have it, 5 solid fountain pens under $100. They can suit just about any writing style and budget. Each of these pens brings something unique to the table, and they're all fantastic in their own ways. Whether you're just starting your fountain pen journey or you're looking to add a reliable, budget-friendly pen to your collection, these are all solid choices. So let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these, or if you have other recommendations for great fountain pens under $100. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more stationery reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy writing!